Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make TikTok account private. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First, open TikTok app. Now click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Then click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Click on privacy option. And here you can see that private account option has been turned off. Click on the button in order to turn it on. And that is how you can make TikTok account private. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.